morning, guys and gals. George, the Shade Tree Fix-It Man. I thought you might like to see my rain gauge from last night. Can you tell? That is 4.5 inches. That took place in about 5 hours. Yeah, we got a major storm came through. Thankfully, we didn't get any tornadoes like they got down in Nebraska. So we were under a tornado watch. And at the moment, it's a pretty nice day out. Yep. John Kerry at the moment, but I think they're calling for showers later in the day again. All the plants are loving it. Yeah. Had to dump water out of that flower pot. Look at my hostas, they're all just going crazy. Nice. Yeah, had some branches come down, nothing major. Got the garage door opening. Let it dry out, because every time it rains, water runs in the garage. I don't know why they ever built the garage lower than the driveway. Well, that's it for now. Have a wonderful day. Bye now.